Good morning. Today we need to discuss about testing. It's very good part. So it's the first class introduction part only. Good morning, Akash. Yes, good morning, everyone. So first up, I want to discuss with testing. What is it? Testing. What is the testing? Because testing is a normal word, sir. Everyone knows about the testing. Everyone. Because it's a general word. Testing is not related to any subject. So if you want to buy a pen now, you have to test it. If you want to buy a bike, you have to test it. If you want to buy a car, if you have to test it. If you want to buy a mobile, you have to test it. If you want to buy a grapes, we have to taste. If you want to buy sweets, we have to taste. From the birth to death, we are performing a number of testing activities. Pen, how to test, we know already. Just to open cap, we have to write whether it is working or not working. Bike, we go for test drive, how it is going. Car, we go for a test drive. And grapes, how look and feel and taste. Sweets. So from the birth to death, we are performing a number of testing activities we are performing. Sir, suddenly one person is going on the road. He fall down. We have to check his breath, pulse, heartbeat, everything. So that is also called as one type of testing. So already everybody knows about the testing, sir. You are all experts in the testing area. For example, this demo session is one type of testing. For your side. Yes. Because initially, first day anyone can pay the fees? No. You are attending 2-3 classes, sir. Or else 3-4 classes you are attending. Once you are okay with my lecture and everything, then you need to continue. You can pay the fees and you can continue. Otherwise, you can drop. So this demo is also one type of testing on your point of view. So our lecture is going on there. What is telling everything? That is called as a testing, sir. Sir, from morning to night, every day, we are performing number of testings every day. From morning to night, you are doing a number of testing activities in a real-time world. Same thing. So how you tested pen, how you test a bike, how you test a car, mobile, grapes, speeds, same thing. Software testing. The today demo only, I'm not telling any subject introduction only, okay? Same thing I can go for software testing. So immediately students have doubt, sir, what is a software? What is a software? Because without knowing software, there is no testing. So first we should have knowledge on the software. What is the software? So generally, who will develop the software? Developers only. At that time, there is a life cycle is there. SDLC. SDLC full form is software development life cycle. Yes. Because see, as a tester, you don't bother about that, but knowledge is required. How software is development knowledge is enough. Who will take care? Developer will take care. Once developer developed a software, it is given to the tester for the purpose of testing how it is working. That is. So software development life cycle, how to develop one software. That is the SDLC, software development life cycle. So at the time of SDLC, sir, different phases will be there. So actually, who will take care about this? Developer will take care about this. As a tester, we don't bother about this SDLC. Developer will take care about this one. But whatever phases are available there, first business analyst, he will take all requirements from the client. He will prepare document FRS, SRS or URS. Sir, later I will tell all this what it is. Just today introduction, I am telling SDLC only, software development life cycle, whatever phases are available. BA full form is business analyst. He will interact with the client and take all requirements. And he will store a document, that is BRS vehicle, SRS or URS, all are same. Full form is business requirement specification. SRS means system or software requirement specification. URS means user requirement specification. So what it contains, I will tell later on upcoming classes. BRS means, so what kind of application we are going to implement it? How many users are there for that? Whatever required services for those, everything. After that, system analyst will do analysis. He will prepare a documentation, FRS. FRS full form is functional requirement specification. So all functionalities are available there in that one FRS. Functionalities means, for example, if you go to Gmail application, if I want to click on a login button, suppose if I take a Google, what is the functionality of Google search? What is this button? If what is this Hindi? If I'm clicking on Hindi, the language will be changes. If I'm clicking on English, it is coming into English. If I'm clicking on sign in button, the sign in page will be opened. They're all called as their functionalities. So those type of functionalities are available here, FRS. Once it is okay, design architecture will come. He will do design. At that time, GUI and database. GUI means graphical user interface. DB means database. Sir, every application two ends are there, sir, front end and back end. Front end means what we are seeing, that is called as front end. For example, this is, if you open Google, this is the front end. If I'm searching something, I want to search for Selenium, I will get some data where it is getting from the backend database. Sir, whenever you can go to movie, on screen, some people will be there, hero, heroine, comedian, villain, so many are there. But background, so many people they are working, like director, producer, okay, choreographer, music director, makeup man. So many people will be working. Same here also. So to develop front-end GUI, different technologies will be there, like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, everything. Databases, you know, Oracle, SQL Server, those are. So once all are completed, design will be done. Now coding. Now one software is ready. So after that, QA will come. QA means quality analyst. Testing. We do system testing. What is system testing means? See, up to now there is no tester. Sir, tester, what it is, the tester job. Once application is ready, whenever it is done, now whenever development given one application, is it properly working or not working based on client requirements? That is called as a testing. And simple words. So later I will tell subject wise. Present your understandable purpose. BA will take all requirements. After that analysis is happening, next designing will be done. Based on that, coding will be done by the developer. After that, that application given to the tester for the purpose of testing. So what is testing? This application properly working or not working based on client requirements. That is called as a testing. Simple logic. QA full form is quality analyst. So once we completed testing, we are hand over to the client. Client will do testing. UAT, user acceptance testing. UAT full forms are user acceptance. So once everything is okay, release and maintenance. Release and maintenance will be happened. This is happening in the real time, sir. So first requirements, analysis. Sir, here just I'm giving introduction only. In depth, so much concept is there. I will tell later on. Okay, na? Just to today demo. That's why I'm giving overview. But internally, so much concept is there. One by one, I will tell. So business analyst will take all requirements. System analyst will prepare a first documentation. After the design architecture, will do designing. Design means just like our building plan, blueprint. Developer will do coding. Next, tester will do testing. Client also do testing, that is UAT. After that, they can release and maintenance. This is called as SDLC, software development lifecycle. Means how to develop an application based on client requirements and expectations. That is called as SDLC. Now, do you know in SDLC so many models will be there? SDLC models, 9 models I will tell. Waterfall, prototype, incremental, spiral model, rad model, Big Bang model, fish model, V model, design model. So SDLC means software development lifecycle. That is lifecycle. In that 9 models will be there, sir. Waterfall model, prototype model, incremental model, spiral model, rad model, Big Bang, fish, V, SL. 9 models will be there. Okay, fine. So first of all, in real time, whatever company you can take. How many software testing techniques are there? Only 2 types are there. One is manual testing. Second one, automation testing. Yes, what is manual and what is automation? So any type of company, only these 2 types of testings will be there. So maximum everybody knows about that. Manual. Without any automation, I have to check an application. That is manual. For example, there is an application is there. In this login page is there. I want to enter username, password, click on login, click on logout. How I'm doing manually? Manually I opened a browser, manually I opened a site, manually I'm entering username, I'm entering password, I'm clicking on sign in, I'm clicking on logout. So it is called as manual process. Without any tool, we have to test an application. That is called as a manual process. Yes, that is called as a manual testing. So two types of testing will be there, manual and automation, sir. So at the time of manual testing, as a test engineer, TA means test engineer. Interact with an application, check the application behavior directly. How it is working is called as a manual testing. So it is the process of testing an application manually without using any automation tool is called as a manual testing. So as a tester, we have to write test cases here. What do we have to write? Test cases. That is called as manual testing. Whereas automation also tester will do, but one application between tester, there is a tool is there. Tool will perform an application. The tool may be Selenium or tool may be anything. So test engineer will give instruction to the tool. Tool will performing an application. That is called as automation. So here we have to write test scripts. So the process of converting manual test cases into test scripts is called as a automation. Manual test cases we can convert into test scripts with the help of the tool. So as a test engineer, we have to convert the test scripts, means by using program. So here tool means any tool we can use. Present trending Selenium. There are so many tools are there, QTP, Silk Tester, ISA, Renorex, so many will be there. But present trending is Selenium. Selenium we are using. Yes, anything. Any tool, sir. Any tool you have to. Suppose, sir, for example, if you want to go for shopping, whenever you can go to shopping mall, 6th floor building will be there. If you want to go to the 5th floor, by using steps you can go. By using steps means it is manual process. Now with the help of escalator or with the help of the lift, that is called as automation. Simple logic, sir. Sir, for example, if you want to do some calculations, sir, 4 into 5, 20. 20 into 3, 60. 60 into 4, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4 into 8, 7, 6. What is the result? We don't know. Immediately we are using calc. You will get the result. See, first 3 manually done. Second one with the help of calculation. That is I am telling. So anywhere, wherever you can go, any industry, only 2 types of will be there, software testing techniques, manual and automation. But any company, first manual testing is compulsory. Without manual testing, there is no company, no industry. First manual testing should be there. After that, only we can go for automation. Without manual, no interview, nothing. Because every application, manual testing is mandatory. And it is possible to do manual. Automation, every application not possible. Some of the applications only. So that is manual testing. So at the time of manual testing, important thing is what is that? Only test cases. What is a test case? How many types of test cases are there? How to write those test cases? Those are important thing. Test scripts means these manual test cases only we are converting test script with the help of Selenium tool. That is called as automation. So at the time of Selenium, we are using Java. Java means immediately students got shivering. Sir, we don't know anything about Java, no problem. no issues. Whatever Java concepts required for you, that Java concept I will take care. Yes, whatever Java you can require, that Java I will take care. Sir, in this course content, what I want to tell is, first I have to tell all manual testing concepts. Means what is testing, how many types of testings are there, what is unit testing, integration system, everything. First manual testing will take minimum 20 days. Next automation. Automation nothing but Selenium. Selenium support multiple languages. We are using Selenium with Java. Selenium we can write Java, we can use Selenium with Python, we can use Selenium with C#, Ruby, anything. But we are using Selenium with Java. If you don't know anything about Java, no problem. Whatever Java you can require, I will take care. I will tell first Java basics, like a class, object, reference variable, types of variables, inheritances, interfaces, abstract class, concrete class, exception handling, everything I will take care. And finally, real-time concepts like Maven project creation, page object model, listeners, retry mechanism, Jenkins, GitHub, those things. Real-time, whatever required, those are will come. So all the three modules will be there, sir. Here, manual testing will be there, automation, Selenium with Java, and real-time concepts will be there. Sir, if you want to course content, see, I will show the course content. Sir, I will provide to you materials, everything I will give. First of all, manual. You don't write anything. I will send soft copy materials, pre-recorded videos, everything after payment done. Now see, this is the manual testing. The manual testing completely everything is the theoretical part only. Anyone can able to understand manual testing. Don't bother about that. See here. First, software introduction. Software development process. Project product. See, just now I'm telling SDLC. SDLC models. Waterfall, prototype, incremental, spiral, RAD, Big Bang, fish model, V model, Agile models. Methodologies. Whatever methodologies are there. White box, black box, gray box. Next, testing levels. Unit testing. Whatever factors are there. Integration testing. System testing. User acceptance. User acceptance. After that, along with this real-time, some other testing techniques are there. Smoke, sanity, retesting, regression, ad hoc, exploratory, jump, L10, I10. Next, STLC, software testing. Let's see. This is the manual part, sir. After that, Selenium. In Selenium frameworks and everything, like keyword-driven, data-driven, hybrid. So first, initial content. Selenium content. Introduction Selenium. Why Selenium? IDE. RC was deprecated. No. See, Java basics I will tell. Class, object, data types, how to declare arrays, exception handlings, how to writing loopings, everything. JUnit. After the test NG, object repository, Selenium 2, automation lifecycle. This is the normal course, Selenium, 20 days. Final important concept, this is project related. Real time, what is important? This is important to you, every person. What is a page object model? How to create Maven project? What is the framework structure? How to configure drivers? Log4j, Apache PYA, property files, reusable functions, page factory approach, listeners, retry. These are real time, sir. Once you go through this my course content, you are in a position to claim experience. Minimum 2 years, 3 years fake experience also is possible. That's why I designed this one. So totally, see here, what I want to discuss with you is 3 modules will be there. Manual, automation, these. So the course duration is 2 months. 2 months is the duration. Daily 1 hour. 9 to 10. So I will give. No. Postman is the different tool. Here only we can go web automation tool only, Selenium only. So I will provide soft copy material. Pre-recorded videos. Materials I will give. Videos I will give. Daily 1 hour. Total 3 modules. 8. Yes, everything I will provide, Manish. Test scenarios. Okay, based on that, SQL here, SQL we are not covering. SQL is not required. If you want SQL is the different course now. If you want to go for database, then SQL is required. As a functional tester, SQL is not required. So this is the duration, 2 months, 1 hour daily session, soft copy materials, pre-recorded videos I will give, fees, contact number 8096969696. They will give assistance to you. Yes, Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday is the classes. If Saturday is there, I will inform. Friday class, I will inform. If any class will be there in Saturday, I will inform in the Saturday class. Yes, for the job, whatever I'm telling,